Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, August 7th, I think. I don't know. Does anybody ever know what day it is anymore? But my apartment is totally trashed, which I will show you in a second. You can probably already tell behind me is looking a mess. But my daughter is out to lunch with her grandma and my husband is in the back working. So I thought I would take this opportunity to see how much I can get cleaned up. It's one of those things, you know, where you're like, do I clean or do I rest? And I always pick cleaning. I hope that you guys find this video encouraging and it motivates you guys to get up and clean your mess as well, because I know that can be so tiring and I'm pretty exhausted myself, but I'm going to push through it and get as much cleaned as I can. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and leave me some comments below, and let's go ahead and get into this messy cleaning. First, I'm starting in my kitchen, just dealing with all these never-ending dishes. Like always, I have to unload my dishwasher and then reload the new dishes back up. I always like to start in the kitchen just because I always feel like it is so messy, and then it makes me feel like if my kitchen is clean, that the rest of my apartment is clean, even if it's not. Leave me some comments below if you guys are like that too. If you feel like one thing is clean, the rest is clean, even though it's actually not. I made these vegan chocolate chip cookies and they were actually so delicious. My daughter was like begging to make cookies, and I try to keep things on the healthy side. For those of you that don't know and you're new to my channel, I do have an autoimmune condition, so I follow a pretty strict anti-inflammatory diet and I try to be careful about what I'm eating. But yeah, anyways, I found these like vegan cookies and they were pretty good. Recently, I decided to give up coffee and just start drinking tea. I feel like it kind of got to the point that coffee was making me feel a little like weird, like super jittery, and sometimes make me feel like I was having like weird heart palpitations. So I decided to just start drinking tea, but I love like black teas and chai teas. Leave me some comments below if you guys have a favorite tea that you like to drink.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around.
With a picture to color. That's a lot. Fancy.
Yeah.
How was your lunch with Grandma?
Then we also we got a princess book
Mm-hmm.
and Cinderella, Anna's Beauty, Jasmine, Belle.
Memories come back when I'm with you. Been here 1,000 times. Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober. We should be good, but
I decided to rearrange some of the decorations in my apartment because I do have some plans for above my table and above my couch. And then my daughter had colored me these spring coloring pictures several months back, and I just never took them down because she always wanted me to keep them up, but I definitely felt like it was time to take them down. Also, I noticed as I was vacuuming that my carpet looked super horrific right here, and I needed to shampoo them, so be sure to keep watching so you can see.
memories come back when I'm with you.
Also, if you guys don't have my notification bell on for my videos, I would love for you guys to turn that on. In the next week or two, I'm going to be doing a surprise bedroom makeover for my daughter for her birthday. I am turning her room into a Rapunzel room, and she doesn't know about it, but I am so excited. I ordered everything and I'm waiting for everything to come in, but you guys don't want to miss this. It is going to look awesome.
Talking and talking. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
to open this. I don't know why, but I just feel like it's gonna be real nasty. I've never opened it before. I honestly didn't even know it opened. But here we go.
In your arms of gold, I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right?
Now on to my bedroom. It is a mess like usual. I don't know, my husband and I, like, we kind of always just like throw our stuff everywhere, our clothes and everything. We're not very good at like putting things back, so yeah, I guess that's probably why our room is always a mess.
Crazy world, I felt like I was never heard.
And I completely forgot that I folded my towels and they were in the bottom of the basket. So I dumped them out and was like, oh yeah, I always do something like that. I'm never on top of like folding my laundry and putting it away. I do stuff like this all the time.